Meaning of DTI.
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 DTI. DTI stands for diffusion tensor imaging, which is a type of medical imaging technique used to visualize the white matter tracts in the brain. It is based on the measurement of diffusion properties of water molecules in the brain. DTI is useful in studying brain connectivity, and can help in identifying abnormal connectivity patterns that are associated with various neurological and psychiatric disorders. DTI is non-invasive and has high spatial resolution, making it a valuable tool in both research and clinical settings.